What's your relationship status?
I'm single actually.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow, I return to school, but in order to do so, I have to test negative. And tomorrow's actually going to be my very last first day of high school. But in order to do so, as I said, I have to test negative, according to the Victorian government. So I'm going to do the COVID test the night before, and hopefully we test negative. My little brother also has to do the COVID test, because surprisingly, he still goes to school. He has not yet been kicked out.
I have a very sensitive nose.
Alright. Let's wait for our results. Well, both me and my brother tested negative. So I'm coming to school tomorrow. Hey Siri, what's the time?
Keep my hands on myself. Pick out dust them all, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kickstart. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kickstart. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leaving with the babies till the mama call a grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, feel it still. We could fight a war for peace.
Today then is our last first day of high school ever. Okay, thanks. So I haven't been to school in 2 months because it's the first day. So yeah, we're gonna go to school, get some lockers, and I'll show you guys around and see the boys again. It's been a while. Let's go.
Long time no see. Long time no see. Have been awesome. That was trash. I know. That was trash. Killing dude. Absolutely. Chuck us a 360 right now. Look at that.
We just arrived at school. It's actually like recess, so we're gonna ball for a little bit, and then I've got 3 periods next couple of periods, so I'll show you guys around the school. Fuck, let's ball.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your lovers and a bitch for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
So, it's period 3 right now. I wasn't able to film period 1 and 2 because it was the first day. All we did was we got to know our home group, we picked our lockers. Also, a huge shout out to you guys. 3 people came up to me and were like, I watch your videos. So they showed love, so I appreciate that, you know. If you see me around school and you want to come say hi, come say hi. The boys here are all going to try to do some work. Usually we don't really do work in our frees, we talk about problems. But today, since the camera's on, we're all going to seem productive. Cue the time lapse.
Girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks.
Oh, that's probably the most work me and my friends have done in a double free. Agreed?
Yeah.
Do you agree, Glindu?
Yeah.
Do you agree, Rishi? Rishi is the absolute legend. 48 in accounting last year. God status. Now we have lunch. I'm gonna try to find some people and do some interviews here at school today. You know, it's the first. It's my last. it's our first day of school, so I kind of want to know what people want to do this year, want to achieve this year. So I think we're going to do some interviews, asking about people about their goals and anything else we can come up with. Let's go.
Hi lads. Today I'm here with
Venge Jones, yeah.
Van Shane. All right. What year level are you in, mate?
12, though I feel like a year 9.
What ATAR do you want to achieve by the end of this year?
Anything that's enough to stop me from paying for it.
Rightio. And do you have any other goals that you want to achieve by the end of this year?
Maybe disappear from the face of the earth.
What is your relationship status?
Bachelorhood and proud.
Rightio. Hang on. Isn't this a guy that slapped me in the face with a cake? Hi lads. Now we're here with
Nathan.
Rightio, Nathan. What year level are you in?
I'm in year 12 now. Yeah.
Yep. What subject do you think will be your best subject this year?
Definitely not physics. Probably further math. Yeah.
Yeah, physics is a tough one. What?
Plug. I'm mentoring kids on further math. If anyone is watching, please DM me on Instagram.
Do you have any other goals that you want to achieve by the end of this year?
Honestly, if I graduate, I'll be pretty happy with that. Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good. And what's your relationship status?
It's complicated.
No comment. All right, lads. I'm here with
Arby.
Right, Arby. What year level are you in, mate?
I think it's my last year at the school.
So year 12, but he's not sure. All right. Do you have any other goals that you want to achieve by the end of this year?
Nah, not really.
Yeah. Nice and chill. We like it. What's your relationship status?
I'm single actually. So
Oh, okay. G'day, lads. We are here with
Kian.
Gian from which level, mate?
Year 12.
Year 12, rightio. Which subject do you think you'll do best in this year?
I feel like PE or further. I reckon one of those two.
Do you have any other goals that you want to achieve by the end of this year?
Yeah, bench 100 kilos. That's about it.
Fair enough. And what's your relationship status?
Complicated.
That's two!
You know how you want to do well in further math? Quick shameless plug. I'm actually trying to mentor kids for further math. So anyone watching the video, please DM me on Instagram.
Oh, why is this so zoomed in? I'm at co-curricular now, and funnily enough, it's basketball. Literally, this whole video is just me playing basketball. But yeah.
Follow the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a
And I'm on the train going back. My hair's a mess. But yeah, that was my last ever first day of high school. Any reflections? How did you find the day?
Enjoyable, so to say.
Pretty chill. Had a free with this man. Yeah.
Tomorrow we have swimming carnival, and he's the whole school sports captain. Is everything organised, mate? Be honest.
It's complicated.
Hi guys, I'm giving TED Talk tomorrow, so you'll be able to witness that on YouTube soon. It's a continuation from last year, but it might be genuine this time around.
Me and the boys are just gonna catch up because we haven't seen each other for a while. I'll see you guys at home. Had enough of school. So, I just arrived home, had some food, and now I'm doing some studying. I quickly wanted to shout out my Discord server. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So I recently made a Discord server for people like yourself and me to basically come hang out, chill out. I'm going to be going live on that server on pretty much like 6 days out of the 7 days in a week, basically just studying there. So if you ever feel lonely or just, want to have a chat, you can find me there. At the moment, for the next few hours, I'm going to be studying, and we have a few peeps that are going to be studying with me. We obviously have Rishi, who you know, Vanj, and we have our mate here over Zane. Join the Discord, link in the description. I'm going to get some work done. Let's get some work done.
feel like it's 1986 now. I don't know where I'm at. I feel it still. But I had your feel.
Hello guys, it is 10:07 now. I did Anki for a little bit, and then for the past hour I've been trying to sort out just details for tomorrow. Tomorrow's obviously, well, not obviously, you guys don't know, but tomorrow is swimming carnival at my school, and it'll be my last swimming carnival in my school in Korea, which is pretty sad. But we've just been, organizing what we're going to do tomorrow, which is going to be epic. I'm not going to spoil too much because that is what the next video will be about, my final swimming carnival, and a lot's going to go down tomorrow. It should be a fun video tomorrow. Hopefully it was a fun video today. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. I'm really tired. Peace. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.